So in this short video, I'm going to share with you how to do an extended single crochet stitch. As you can see here, I am working up a nice little pattern here, and it looks really nice. You can do this in whatever size you want. You basically start off by having whatever number of foundational stitches you need. And then I did a single crochet stitch, or you can just go ahead and jump right on into the single crochet, extended single crochet stitch. So I'm going to bring you in just real quick to show you how I did this, or how you can do this. I'm going to bring you in to show you how you can do a single crochet extended stitch. This works up great for whatever you want, whether it is a clothing item or it's a pillow, some type of accessory. Like I'm making this right here is going to be a crochet wallet. So here we go. You're going to start by chaining one and then turning. And then for the extended single crochet stitch, you're going to insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, and I just yarn over this way, and I grab it, pull it back through, then I'm going to yarn over. And when I yarn over, you can do it two ways. You can do it this way, but most people will do it this way. This way you can do it when you're doing amigurumi stitches, but I'm going to push it back, yarn over, use my hook to grab through, pull it through the stitch, then yarn over again and pull it through two stitches. Now this yarn is kind of a nylon, so it's really robust and strong in nature, but it makes for really nice purses and wallets. So again, I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through one, yarn over, pull it through two. That's the extended single crochet stitch. Insert hook, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through one, yarn over, pull it through two. So hopefully that helps, and I'll show you the end product in the next video.